Most common English mistakes English learners usually make. We are five people. There are five of us. I don't mind to do it. I don't mind doing it. I am thinking to go. I am thinking of about going. Remember me to do it. Remind me to do it. I want that you come. I want you to come. I need that you help me. I need you to help me. Are you agree? I am agree. Do you agree? I I agree. It's depend of the weather. It depends on the weather. I am living here for 3 years. I've been living here for 3 years. I have arrived to London. I have arrived in London. I have arrived to the airport. I have arrived at the airport. I am looking forward to see you. I am looking forward to seeing you. What do you suggest to do? What do you suggest doing? My granny is the best cooker. My granny is the best cook. I am used to wake up early. I am used to waking up early.